Mae'r daith arbennig yma yn mynd â ni ledled Cymru, gydag ysgolion yn y gogledd, y canolbarth a'r de. This exciting journey takes place across Wales. In the north, Ysgol Glancegin, Ysgol Maen Offeren, and Ysgol y Traeth. In mid-Wales, Twyn yr Odin Infant School, and in the south, Adamsdown Primary, Townhill Primary, and Ysgol Cynlais. Eleni, feithon ni nôl i'r ysgolion gyda artist Kevin Burgess, creuwyd darn o waith i'r ganolfan y llynedd, ond eleni, roedd y pwyslais ar greu darnau celfinigol a fyddai'n aros yn yr ysgolion, gyda darn bach pob un plentyn yn rhan o'r tapestry mawr terfynol. This year we returned for 2 days in each school with internationally renowned Welsh textile artist Kevin Burgess. Whereas the focus for 2009 was to create a piece of art for the centre, this year we focused on producing individual pieces of art to remain in each school. Each child created their own piece as in the tradition of tapestry making. Disgyblion Ysgol Maen Offeren oedd cyntaf i fynd ati. Casgodd y plant lyniau a gwrthrychau o'i hardal leol fel ysbrydoliaeth. Fe welwch o'r gwaith fod yr haul yn twynu ar Blaenau Ffestiniog, y tren a'r tirlun bendigedig. First stop, Ysgol Maen Offeren. The children had gathered pictures and objects from their area to use as inspiration for their designs. In Blaenau Ffestiniog, we saw trains, impressive landscapes and plenty of sunshine. Aeth y daith ni ymlaen i Ysgol Glancegin, ac yn Mangor fe welson ni gestyll, harbwrs a chlociau'r dref yn dod i fyw yn waith y plant. Ar ôl darlunio a lliwio'u syniadau ar bapur, creodd y plant ym mhob ysgol ei darn gyda chotwm a gwlanen lliwgar. Onwards to Ysgol Glancegin. In Bangor we saw castles, harbours and town clocks. The children in each school first drew and coloured their postcard-sized designs before recreating it using Welsh flannels and cottons. Wedyn i Ysgol Cynlais. A'i golwg personol nhw ar barciau, eu cartrefi ac ambell ddraig goch. Yn y rhan yma o'r broses, roedd y plant yn cael defnyddio peiriant gwnïo i arddurno eu gwaith. Next stop, Ysgol Cynlais. First using an embellishing sewing machine, each child attached coloured fabrics onto the flannel to keep it in place. Pupils from Cynlais took a more personal approach, recreating beautiful parks, homes and even Welsh dragons. Townhill Community School oedd y bedwaredd ysgol. Ymhlith y pethau a hysbrydolodd ysgol Townhill. Roedd castell Abertawe, parciau lleol a blodau. Cafodd yr artistiaid ifanc i gyd gwnïo gyda peiriant arbennig mwyn creu bordor amgylch eu cynllun. School number 4, Townhill Community School. Moving on to the second machine, the young artists guided the thread to produce a border around their design. Townhill pupils' inspiration included Swansea Castle, local parks and beautiful flowers. Yr ysgol nesaf, Twyn yr Odin Infant School. Capeli, y gweithfeydd hern, ysbyty a ffynon ddŵr Merthyr Tydfil oedd wedi tanio'r ddychymyg. Gyda pheiriant gwni arall, pwythodd y plant linell oedd yn edrych fel llinell pensil. Next up, Twyn yr Odin Infant School. Chapels, the ironworks, hospital and water fountain featured in designs in Merthyr Tydfil. The third sewing machine each child used with the help of Kevin was to create the top stitching drawing just like a pencil. Roedd creadigaethau'r plant y chweched ysgol, Adamsdown Primary School, yn cynrychioli stadiwm y Millennium, parciau a'i cartrefi. Ym mhob ysgol, mae cynlluniau'r plant wedi ei gosod a ddefnydd hyfryd a wehyddwyd gan Kevin, i'r syniad gwell iddyn nhw o sut fydd y gwaith terfynol yn edrych. School number 6, Adamsdown Primary School. Pupils of Adamsdown created the stadium, parks and their own homes in their designs. In each school, we laid the finishing designs out on beautiful Welsh material weaved by Kevin to give the children a better idea of the finished artwork. Ac yn olaf, dyma ni'n teithio nôl i Ogledd Cymru i Ysgol y Traeth, lle cafwyd gwaith gyda hufen iâ, reid roller coaster a lan y môr ynddo. Ffordd wych i ddod â siwrnau anhygol amrywiol o amgylch Cymru i ben. Finally back to North Wales to Ysgol y Traeth. Ysgol y Traeth added ice creams, roller coasters and the seaside to the mix to finish off our 4-week journey around Wales in style. Yn Hydref 2010, bydd y cwiltiau'n cael eu cyflwyno ym mhob ysgol o flaen cyd-disgyblion, rhieni ac athrawon. Bydd canolfan Millennium Cymru'n cael fenthyg y gwaith celf arbennig ar ddechrau 2011 i'w arddangos yn orielau'r ganolfan. cyn ei dychwelyd i'r ysgolion i'w cadw fel atgof parhaol o Prosiect 21 yn 2010. In autumn 2010, the finished quilts will be unveiled at each school in front of fellow pupils, teachers and parents. In early 2011, Wales Millennium Centre will borrow the beautiful pieces of art to display in the exhibition spaces at the centre for its visitors to enjoy before they return to the schools as a lasting legacy of this year's Project 21.